If you wait for paper checks, you could be missing paydays and losing money. Banks can hold deposits, mail gets delayed, and overnight emergencies become costly. Late payments, overdraft fees, and stress add up fast. Thousands of U.S. workers face delays every month from manual pay delivery and paperwork errors. Paper paychecks are easy to lose and slow to clear. That's why setting up direct deposit immediately matters. Direct deposit delivers your pay straight to your account, often earlier than paper checks. It reduces processing delays, cuts fees, and improves financial predictability, saving time and headaches. It's more secure than mailing checks because deposits are traceable and encrypted with bank-level encryption. How to set it up: find your bank routing and account numbers. Give those details to HR or your pay provider and choose deposit options. Confirm the first deposit and enjoy faster access to your money. It's simple, free, and quick.